Hello foodies, welcome to Foodie Rules. Today's recipe is this perfect Pav Bhaji, and this recipe serves for 12 pavs, and you can see how red it is and it don't require any color. So first I've taken my water in a vessel. So this water is taken to just soak the peas. I've taken like 1/4 cup of dried white peas. So if you have fresh or frozen peas, you can totally skip this step. It takes 4 hours. After 4 hours in a pressure cooker, I've added 6 tablespoons of butter. Let's be honest guys, I've added 10 tablespoons. So okie so I'm going to add 1/4 cup of onions. It's a total of half cup. I'm just using 1/4 and another 1/4 I'll use it later. Then I'm just going to saute it on medium flame. So let the onions get a type of translucentness in it. I don't know what that thing specifies, but just let them get transparent. Then add 1/3 cup of carrots and half cup of capsicum or bell peppers and just mix everything. So I forgot to tell you all, the butter is salted, so I'm not adding salt here. So then next add 1 cup of tomatoes, and you need to keep in your mind that after adding tomatoes, immediately you need to add 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon according to your taste. Add your salt and just mix everything again. Cook it on medium flame only, don't increase the flame, and add 1/4 cup of potatoes thinly chopped and 1/4 cup of beetroots. Don't worry guys, beetroot won't change the taste, it also enhances it and also gives a good color. Okay, then add some soaked white peas. So guys, make sure that your gravy contains more oil, or else what actually happens is it gets burns when you cook it on whistles. So again, another thing, if you have green or frozen peas, you can totally use that. Now I've added 1 and 1/4 cup of water. I'm just gonna cook it on high flame until 2 whistles. Just see it how red it turns. So after 2 whistles, you can see the consistency should be like this. If you think your gravy is too runny or thinner, it's totally fine. Keep the flame on high and just mash it until the gravy turns as shown in the video. The consistency should be like this. So make a well in the center. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. More butter is better. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Lal Mirch powder. If you don't have Kashmiri Lal Mirch powder, it's totally fine. You can use normal Lal Mirch powder, I mean chili powder. Then add 1 and 1.5 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji masala, and then add 1/4 cup of thinly chopped onions. Then mix everything as the flame is in high flame. Don't worry, it will cook really fast. Just after 30 to 40 seconds, mix everything together. Don't forget that the flame should be on high. The high flame gives a good taste. So this is one of the secrets. Mix everything, and at a certain point it totally gets binded, and also it becomes like a doughy consistency, and at that time you need to add your water. You can see it started to find a type of doughy and gooey kind of consistency. At this time you need to add your water. So before that, add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Gives a good tangy taste in it. And add your water. Water is according to your preference. You can make it thin, you can make it thick, according to your preference. Then mix everything. Just check for salt and masala at this point. I think my bhaji lacks some salt and also a little bit of Pav Bhaji masala. So added some salt and also some masala, and just mixed everything and tasted again, and it was superb. It's not less than the outside street food one. You can see because of this pandemic, I made it at my home and it turned superb. So you can see, then in a pan I've added 1 teaspoon of butter to toast my buns. So I've taken 1/4 teaspoon of Pav Bhaji masala and a tablespoon of coriander leaves. Just sauteed on medium flame, and I've just taken 2 pavs, cut it into half, expanded it, and just toasted in this flavorful oil. Just toast it on medium flame until they get good brown marks. I like more dark, that's why I've toasted them more. You can see how dark it is. It's crispy and also soft from inside. And just serve it with some lemon and onions, and that's it.
You're going to live in heaven. That's it.
Try it at your homes and tell me how did it taste at your homes, and also like, subscribe and comment below. Until then, bye.